Hey yeah people, welcome back to another React Native video. So in this video we'll be learning about the styling of our components. So there are two ways to do that. First one is to use the style property of the component and pass on our object with the styling things that we need to do. Such as if we want to change the background color, what we need to do is type in background color. Keep in mind that we use the camel case syntax for styling our components. So what we need to do here is give it some style. The background color, this is red with the opacity 0.4. Actually it's the RGBA syntax. Let's add some padding. Let it be 20, margin of 20 as well. Let's save it, and yep, there you go. We have our view with the background color of red, 0.4% opacity, and margin and padding of 20 each. So similarly we can also style our text component. Let's change the color of our text component to green. Let's see the results here. Now as you can see, if you can, this is some text is now in green color. Let's increase its font size. Let's say to be 20. Save it. Yes, now you can see the font size of our text is 20. You can also increase it. Let's get along, do something stupid. Let's say it's 50 and see the bam bam. Whoa, this is some text. Now this is not the bright line to say, but yeah, it's good. And another way which I was talking about is to create a style sheet constant. So for that one, what we need to do is go inside our import React Native and import a component called style sheet. Then let's get along and create a constant. I'll tell you what a constant is. Styles, let's name it styles. Let's say style sheet dot create. Now if you have done some web programming or web development, you might know that for the CSS we give some IDs or some classes that we use for our CSS class and ID. Let's say styles.container, and now this container is the reference ID for this view, and this styles constant will carry the CSS properties for styling our container. Now let's say we paste our properties right into it, make it a little more beautiful, and yeah, there you go. Now let's check out if there's a difference. Come on, there you go, the same things that we had seen earlier. So this Android device might seem a little bit slower, not a little bit, a huge difference in the speed, but yeah, this will be faster on an actual device in real life. So let's go ahead, do the same thing with our text component as well. Let's take all the styling properties that we did, styles dot text. Let's make our text component style pattern here, and now we shall get the same results. Reload it. Now the same results will pop out into our eyes. Yep, there you go. Let's change the style for these as well. Styles.jolo. Now how should Jolo look? Is Jolo beautiful or is Jolo bad? Let's make it worse. Font size to 50. Color be black. Yep, there you go. Let's see the worst Jolo you can ever see. Yeah, oh, it looks kind of nice and cute. So now that's all for the styling thing. We'll see you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.